As many of you know, the PS5 can take our Rocket 4 Plus NVMe SSD in order to extend the PS5 storage amount. But we've had so many questions sent in asking us about our brand new 8TB drive for the PS5 and if it works. So I thought I would just put a video out there showing the results and what happens when you put an 8TB NVMe drive in the PS5. So let's just get started. Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Sabrent we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. First of all, we know that our Sabrent Rocket 4 Plus from our 1TB all the way up to our 4TB NVMe SSD works great with the PS5, especially paired with our Sabrent Rocket Heatsink for the PS5. Many of our customers who have grabbed these bundles are loving the performance and the extra storage space. When you install one of our 1TB, 2TB or 4TB Rocket 4 Plus SSDs in the PS5, it will do a format and a speed test, and then you can start transferring and downloading your favorite PS4 and PS5 games straight to that SSD. You can even start playing all of your favorite PlayStation games right off of that drive as well. But now that we have our 8TB drive, many of you want to know, can it work in the PS5? So let's install the 8TB SSD into the PS5 using our Sabrent Rocket Heatsink for the PS5 and find out what happens. So you want to grab the PS5 and you want to have it on its bottom. So to tell which is the bottom, basically it doesn't have the PS5 logo on the back panel. Now to remove the back panel, all that you need to do is just pull ever so slightly on this section over here, and then you want to slide it down and it will reveal the inside of the PS5. As you can see, I've already got the Sabrent Rocket Heatsink for PS5 and the Rocket 4 Plus SSD inside the PS5 for obvious reasons. However, if it's the first time that you've opened your PS5, you should see this little metal cover just where the heatsink is, and this is screwed in with a special PS5 screw. So to remove either the metal cover or the heatsink itself, all that you need to do is just remove the screw. And then you just want to pull off the heatsink, so just be careful. And there you go, so the heatsink is now removed. And then there's another screw to fasten in the SSD if you've already got one SSD in there. Otherwise, you'll just need to remove the screw again. The screw comes with the PS5, not the SSD. So we'll remove the 2TB SSD that I've been literally blasting through over the last few months. And then we want to grab our 8TB Rocket 4 Plus. This has been an absolute dream in the PC that I've built. And there you go, a whopping 8TB of PCIe 4.0 technology. Absolutely fantastic. And then to install the SSD into the PS5, you just need to make sure that you insert it at a 45-degree angle. And then you want to just push down and then screw the screw back into its slot. And then you want to grab your Sabrent heatsink and you want to push that into the slot, and then you want to grab the screw and then securely fasten that into the PS5. Now you want to grab your back panel, and all that you need to do is just slide it until you hear a click. Like so. So now that we've got everything installed, let's plug it into the TV and see what happens. So I've got everything plugged in and we're just going to turn on the PS5 and let's see what happens. So we've got the PS5 logo. Let's see if any messages pop up. Okay, so as you can see here, it says can't use the M.2 SSD inserted into the expansion slot. Use an M.2 SSD that meets the requirements. So PCIe Gen 4 or later, and a capacity of 250 gigabytes minimum. and 4 terabytes maximum. Turn off your PS5 and then remove your M.2 SSD. So yes, I can confirm that the 8 terabyte Rocket 4 Plus for the time being doesn't work in the PlayStation 5. Now this doesn't mean that it's never going to work in the PlayStation 5, it just means that potentially Sony might have to do a software update or two to get this enabled. And knowing from the messages that we've been receiving, Sony, you might want to get on that. So that is the answer to the question we have been receiving most regarding our 8 terabyte SSD and the PS5. So I hope that helps answer all of your questions, as well as clear up any misconceptions regarding, you know, incompatibility and so on and so forth. We've seen all sorts of theories and such on this topic, so I thought I would just make a video for you guys so that you can see exactly what happens. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. If you did enjoy it and you do want to see Sony update the software in this to allow for an 8 terabyte drive, then please smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.